Are you looking for the best drones for kids? In this video we will look at some of the best drones for kids on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1, ATTOP Mini Drone with Camera Drones. The tiny 2.5 inch by 2 inch by 1 inch mini drone by ATTOP packs a lot into a small package. The controls are simple, with headless steering and altitude hold. It can even do 360-degree flips, but your success rate may not be 100%. Flight time average is about 5 minutes on a full charge, and a full charge takes at least 30 minutes. It works with the smartphone app, where you can plan flight paths on screen. This device performs well enough for a kid-friendly drone, and even adults will have fun plotting courses. The mini drone has a first-person camera that sends photos and live shots to your phone. This is a fun mini drone for kids over the age of 14, but the tiny quadcopter is too small and delicate for younger kids. Number 2, Force One Scoot Hand-Operated Drone for Kids. Nobody would mistake the Force One Scoot hand-operated drone for a professional drone, but it's still more fun than we expected. There is no controller. Simply turn it on, toss it in the air, and use your hands to move the copter around the room. For the price, it works surprisingly well. The battery only allows for a few short minutes of flight time, but kids will love the simple design. If they can have fun batting a balloon around the room, they'll have even more fun with this simple flying toy. It's safe to grab in mid-flight, and kids as young as 4 years old can safely handle it. Number 3, Force One UFO 4000 Mini Drone for Kids. The Force One UFO 4000 Mini Drone is a bright entry into the kid-friendly market. The LED lights make this quadcopter ignite the night, or a dark room, with a rainbow of colors. While the battery only lasts 9 minutes, and needs nearly 90 minutes to fully charge, this drone does come with a spare battery to help keep the fun going. The best thing about the Force One drone is the easy controls. The headless steering and hover mode are perfect for those learning the ropes of quadrotor flight. The recommended age is 14 and up, but even younger kids who are well supervised can have fun with this light-up drone. Number 4, Ryze Tello Mini Drone Quadcopter UF for Kids. If a kid wants an HD camera drone that looks and feels more mature than the bulky toy drones on the market, the Ryze Tello is the best option. The mini drone gets 13 minutes of flight time on a full charge. Plus, the HD 5MP camera captures the best video at this price point. It has a range of 100 feet, but you may lose connectivity when trying to max out altitude. It can reach speeds of 17 miles per hour on a windless day, and at just under 3 ounces, this is a lightweight mini drone, so any breeze stronger than 5 miles per hour will cause a turbulent flight. The smartphone app works well, and there are third-party apps that can be used for face tracking and other drone tricks. Any drone novice with dreams of becoming a drone pro will love the grown-up handling, multiple features, and aesthetics of the Ryze Tello quadcopter.